Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to find Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. So let's get started. So this is very simple, but take note that not all games have Ubisoft Connect activation code. So it might not be available for your game, but you just have to check this out using this method. So this is the only way on how you can get the Ubisoft Connect activation code, which is by going into the library here on Steam and finding the game wherein you would want to find the Ubisoft Connect code. For example, I am going to go for this game. This is not related into Ubisoft, but I'm just using this as an example. And what you want to do in that game is that you want to click here on the Manage button on the right side and click here on Manage. And then you would have a CD key option right here. But as you can see, this game does not have that because it is not related to Ubisoft. But this is basically it on how you can find the activation code if your game has activation code on it from Ubisoft. So yeah, that is basically how you can find it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.